Ka all Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association but ka all Garo Hills SSA School Teachers Association kilabo ya ka po hakalai pheu tareku nailur arajar arpsau ya ka sarkar jala Ban Pynkiew no ya ka Tulop jongki shakashispa person haba pha ya ka shithi shaw mentri rangba ka jalau konrat ke sangma ka sang kalapan ksan ba kasngi ka ba khaddu Ban Pynkiew ya ka Tulop kala ja prasnam menshwa but haba Kenya ka Jingdawa dor jong kitiar kitar hakane ka jok ka bamenta ka bakong san kalong bakin la ban penbiang ya ka Jingdon kam hapo ki yeng kisam ki jongki lada ka Jingdawa kam la ban urlong kinong hikai kelat mo ban penlong ya ka jingiki ka baklam bopor hakaleng ka jala baro ka we habakran bat kilat pathai khubo menta kasngiu menteri katanat pule puthi urakam e sangma ulakran halor ki mat Jingdawa ula batai bakaro kombe tingka na ka benta ka Tulop jong ki Nonghikai SSA kala katkum kapor menshwa ya ka benta jong ka Tulop labai tingka khandai phau persen da ka sarkar padang but ship phau persen na ka sarkar jala henry ka jala kala nang Pynkiew suki ya ka baha jong ki da san persen man lausnam.
Earlier, the SSA component, the salary component is about 90 students. But now we are raising 5% every year for the salary component of the SSA teacher. Earlier it was 90 students. And now it is 30:70. So next year will be 35:65. We are practically raising every year 5% of salary component of our SSA teacher. But practically it is not been happening because why? The government of India has been cutting down 5% every year of the salary component of the teachers. But however, their demand is very genuine, we understand. But we are working out the modality, we are working out the formula, how to address the issue in the days to come. We understand the problem, we understand. And we have requesting to be patient. So we are working out the formula so that it will address their issues also. So we are working out. We will be sending our officials. We will be sending our team of committee to every. We will be sending our officials. We will be sending our the committee to the every nook and corner of the state, to every schools. This what you call we have not done the committee yet, but
the fact-finding committee.
Correct, means something like that. We will be sending like a fact-finding committee only, just to understand the problems, understand the details, issues of every schools of the state. I know, we understand there are many schools. There is a zero enrollment. There are many schools teachers never go to the school. There are many schools where they're having a proxy teacher. There are many schools with a single teacher. There are many schools without a building. There are many schools, there are more teachers than the students. There are many schools having a 4 teacher, only the 2 students. So now in next, we are doing it, but we will be sending our fact-finding team or a group of officials or some, I don't know, like a team, so that we will get that details of every teachers, every school's environment. And at the same time, we're also working out the modality, how to absorb this as a teacher, be as an adult, be as a deficit, be as our teachers, because we have the same family. We understand it is their responsibility. Look now, Meghalaya is one of the highest dropout rate in the country. Why? Teachers should also set responsibility, directly connect to the performance of our teacher. Meghalaya is one of the lowest PJ ranking. Why? It is directly connected with the performance of our teacher. They also should know, right? So I have to admit today, our education system especially in the lower primary, is not up to the mark. So I would encourage them, right, just to focus on their duties, focus on their performance, focus on their they should give a quality teaching to the students also. Yeah, definitely, government is looking at the option. What can we do? We have said once, and we have already had a meeting with the Honorable Chief Minister. Chief Minister has asked instructed department to give a detailed presentation before we go ahead. many teachers has been shifted. If, the question of April doesn't come in the picture, but we have already shifted some of the teachers with zero enrollment already happening, and will be happen also. And but if the enrollments comes back, we will send back to the teacher to the particular schools. There are many ad hoc school
But
government.
many are in SSA school.
Correct. Most of these schools are SSA.
And do you
It is always because we feel everybody wants to when we serve some work, we need a better pay scale. That is natural process. But of course, we also would request them. Let us also soldier our responsibility well, because now this is SSA, it's a Government of India program, right? Government earlier it was 90:10, but now it has come to 30:70, and next year that will become 35:65%.